Have you ever wondered how biological sex is determined? Is it a simple flip of a coin, or is it a more complex process? Let's take a closer look. In the world of biology, sex determination is not a game of heads or tails. It's a sophisticated dance of chromosomes, hormones, and developmental processes. These factors intertwine in a series of vital steps that ultimately result in an individual being male or female. Let's start with the first dancers on the stage, the chromosomes. Humans typically have 23 pairs of chromosomes in each cell. One of these pairs, known as the sex chromosomes, play a key role in determining sex. Females usually have 2 X chromosomes, while males have 1 X and 1 Y. But it's not just about the presence or absence of the Y chromosome. The specific genes on these chromosomes also hold sway over the process. Next, enter the hormones, the directors of the biological performance. Hormones such as testosterone and estrogen have a significant impact on the development of sexual characteristics. They influence everything from the formation of reproductive organs to the onset of secondary sexual traits like facial hair or breasts. The final component of this intricate process is development. From the moment of conception, the interplay of chromosomes and hormones guide the development of an embryo into a male or female. This is not a one-time event, but a continuous process that unfolds throughout a person's life, from infancy to adulthood. But here's the twist. While this process typically results in 2 distinct sexes, male and female, there are exceptions. Some individuals don't fit neatly into these categories due to variations in chromosomes, hormones, or development. This is a testament to the complexity of sex determination and the diversity of life. So, is sex determination a simple flip of a coin? Far from it. It's a marvel of biological complexity, a testament to the intricate dance of life itself. As we delve deeper into this fascinating topic, prepare to challenge your preconceived notions about sex determination. It all starts with chromosomes, the blueprint of our biological sex. Chromosomes, if you'll recall from your high school biology class, are structures within our cells that hold our DNA, the genetic code that makes us who we are. Every human has 46 chromosomes, divided into 23 pairs. One of these pairs, known as the sex chromosomes, is the key player in determining our biological sex. The 2 sex chromosomes are known as X and Y. Females typically have 2 X chromosomes, one from each parent, making their sex chromosome pair XX. Males, on the other hand, have 1 X chromosome from their mother and 1 Y chromosome from their father, making their sex chromosome pair XY. The presence of the Y chromosome triggers the development of male characteristics. But what about the X chromosome? Well, it's important too. The X chromosome carries a variety of genes necessary for both sexes, including some that influence development and function of sexual and reproductive organs. It's the combination of X and Y chromosomes at conception that sets the stage for an individual's biological sex. If the fertilizing sperm carries an X chromosome, the result is typically a female, and if it carries a Y chromosome, the result is typically a male. However, it's not always as straightforward as XX equals female and XY equals male. There are variations that can occur, such as Klinefelter syndrome, where a male has an extra X chromosome, resulting in an XXY combination, or Turner syndrome, where a female only has 1 X chromosome. These variations can lead to a range of different physical and developmental characteristics. In essence, the X and Y chromosomes are like the architects of our biological sex, drafting out the initial blueprint. But remember, they're just the starting point. There are many other factors at play in the complex process of sex determination. While X and Y chromosomes play a pivotal role in sex determination, they are just the beginning of the story. Beyond chromosomes, hormones and development take the helm, sculpting the biological sex of an individual. After chromosomes set the stage, hormones step into the spotlight. These biochemical messengers have a significant role in directing the development of the reproductive system. 2 key hormones are at play here: testosterone and estrogen. In the early stages of fetal development, the presence or absence of these hormones will guide the formation of either male or female anatomical features. If the Y chromosome triggers the production of testosterone, the fetus will develop testes. In the absence of testosterone, the fetus will develop ovaries. Now you may be wondering, what about estrogen? Well, estrogen is the hormone responsible for the development of the female's secondary sexual characteristics. However, it's important to note that both males and females have a mix of testosterone and estrogen, but in different proportions. Let's delve a bit deeper. The role of hormones doesn't stop with the development of primary sexual characteristics. They continue to play a crucial part during puberty when secondary sexual characteristics emerge. For males, testosterone leads to a deeper voice, body hair, and muscle development, among other things. For females, estrogen triggers breast development, the start of menstrual cycles, and changes in body shape and fat distribution. However, it's not always as straightforward as this. Sometimes, variations occur in the development process. For instance, some individuals may have a condition known as intersex, where they possess physical sex characteristics that don't fit typical binary notions of male or female bodies. This could be due to differences in chromosomes, hormones, or how the body responds to them. So, while chromosomes initiate the blueprint of biological sex, hormones and development are the architects that bring it to life. Their work, however, is not always confined to the traditional male or female design. The interplay of chromosomes, hormones, and development creates a spectrum of biological sex, far more complex than the traditional male and female dichotomy. The process of sex determination is not always straightforward, leading to a spectrum of biological sex. In the intricate dance of biology, there are times when the steps don't follow the traditional two-step of XX or XY. This divergence can lead to variations known as intersex conditions, where an individual may have biological aspects of both male and female sexes. These conditions can manifest in numerous ways, from subtle hormonal differences to more noticeable variations in physical anatomy. Understanding these exceptions and variations is crucial, not just for medical science, but for our appreciation of the grand tapestry of human biology. Every person is unique, and these differences in sex determination underscore that fact in a very profound way. It is through understanding these variations that we can truly appreciate the complexity and diversity of human biology. In unraveling the mystery of sex determination, we discover a complex and fascinating process that challenges our traditional views on male and female.